I started riding motorcycles in about 7th grade. I grew up in Montana on a ranch, got bucked off one too many times, and went to motorcycles. I said, if I'm gonna die, it'll be my fault, not the horse's fault. I guess, as you can tell here, I like to fix things. Whether it's a motorcycle or my body, I want it working as good as possible. And BPH is making my body not work right. My name is Dr. Frank Pucket. I'm a retired optometrist, 63 years old. I was getting more and more uncomfortable and probably more worried about how bad it was going to get, knowing my father's history of BPH. And I was starting to see those same symptoms in myself.
Usually initially after you have a diagnosis of BPH, less invasive things are going to be tried first, like medications. Those are going to be more of the first-line therapies. Once those are no longer providing a patient with the relief that they need, then we start looking at treatment options for BPH.
I'm pretty young for this, really, and I was starting to have issues. I had a problem with muscle aches and back aches with one medication. Other medications I was afraid to try because of some of the side effects that were listed. It was starting to affect my sleep at night. It was starting to affect my sex life, and I decided I am not doing any more medical therapy for BPH. Time to fix this problem.
At ECCO, we perform prostate artery embolization, which is not a surgery, it's an endovascular procedure. So we go through the blood vessels instead.
PAE stands for Prostate Arterial Embolization. It's a procedure where they block the arteries that feed the prostate in order to make it shrink.
If we're treating the prostate, we can do a needle puncture through the wrist, which causes minimal pain to a patient and a shorter recovery time, and then we can just navigate using X-ray and ultrasound guidance to treat the prostate.
Before the procedure, I knew where the bathroom was in every hardware store and every auto parts store, anywhere. After having my procedure, it has made motorcycling much more pleasurable for me, not having to worry about stopping every 5 minutes.